The 24-hour plus agenda comprises synergistic sub-programs that are tailored to key value chains, and you must have heard the ministers mentioning them. This structure ensures depth and focus. We're not attempting to fix everything everywhere all at once. We're targeting high-impact, job-rich, and export-oriented sectors with strong forward and backward linkages.
Osan editor just say 24-hour economy a womo ediegu akwemu no womo eko ninim no so how be apie ewo policy nimu a eyade a womo ebeso ano.
This policy is made for Ghana in the future. And so when I say report directly to the president, I don't mean only this president. It will report to the next president and the next president and the next president. The 24-hour plus program will be the catalyst for Ghana's economic growth. And we are sure that it will make Ghana prosper.
Catalyst for Ghana's growth. And a Odia Sempa Bampa. 24-hour economy. So Mahama continues to be the hope. I feel you break it 24-hour economy. I feel I want to man. I feel you breaking it down. Mia hodwa. You bet him this Juma dear Sonkwa. His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama de Abraham. Agbasi walk us through. When Yaji Safi finally. The march talked about 24-hour economy, no? It's been operationalized.
Amani. Anka when anka say kasa galansa de die. Na asempan na aba. What I say? See, I keep on loving and cherishing a party called National Democratic Congress. You can't be
Okan obeye.
Okan obeye.
JMA.
Oh, mama. You see, we came with policies and we are getting them implemented. I beg you almighty 24-hour economy policies. Almighty, it is not about extending working hours. They be to unleash productivity, expand opportunities within the various sectors of the economy. One thing I just say basically they say a yeah attitude. Amani, this policy will actually reduce importation and increase exportation within the sub-region itself to start with. It is totally focused on agro-based industry. Amani, Commander Sugar Factory. Didn't I say, oh, baby, me no didn't come. Commander Sugar Factory. It's CN 2014-15 there about. Say stretch and walk. What call pay?
Me kohoda.
Wouldn't want say.
Minimum was.
They no problem. Let's have a conversation.
Say I feel the one some one.
Factory no. They no problem no.
Say producer.
A chase producer. They no producer.
I feel the be Jumana.
Fantastic. So if you and I you change your attitude, say oh, factory be baby, my boy commander for me chairman of you. Young boy na yen cultivate ahwedie no.
That special ahwedie no.
Special ahwedie no. Because that industry, the factory or the organization, every mouth, sir, space, yes, sir. Now you can cultivate. Who was I say? Yes, sir. Now at the end of the day, now factory no, and that's how you man after washing no. Yes, can only to
complete.
Over got boss bar. Over got chidrat. Over got now you say on your tree. That's why I said it is about productivity. So at the end of the day, South factory, I was in Brazil. Those sugar factories, yes, stretch. You say some time ago, some years back. Now, if I oppose, I could see. I feel pow. It is straight from that portion of the country. EPCO commander and beyond, the factory will be ready to do what? to produce because raw materials are there in abundance. People are cultivating. Everybody's busy working. What do I say? Price of your product is so good. And at the end of the day, the factory will also need what? More hands. Employment. Yes, sir. So when production is done and completed at the factory, yes, sir. No. You see a sugar, no. You develop Togo, you develop Burkina Faso, you develop Cote d'Ivoire. Yes, sir. We therefore would actually reduce importation of sugar. I'm using sugar just as an example in the industry. What did I say? So it's a process. We should tune ourselves towards the policy. You get the point. So
we should be deliberate.
That's it. There's this factory. I want someone crying with you. If I'm Blue Sky
drink, no.
Blue Sky.
Blue Sky for
Blue Sky is for more. They produce a lot of drinks, fruit drinks. Yes, sir. Who cultivated pineapple?
Mango, pineapple.
Mango.
Ginger.
Pawpaw. Honorable John Dumelo Michel, ginger. No. You see, these are some of the things. They are ready to buy it.
There's a ready market.
From cultivation. So therefore, productivity, production, industry, and also a cost. No, in between time, there's employment being created. Sika kongo for bottom. Ejuma ekoso. Advance G tax. Do you get it? It is not about the long hours of working, but what we will derive from that period of extended time. Oh, mikuta CV, me pejumae. Can you sit down now and tune yourself to such a policy? Say, oh,
how do I take advantage of that policy?
You. That is it. Within the production line.
Where do I fit?
Where do I fit? Abrabonu, ewo shediema obia. That's how I look at the 24-hour Bible. Where do I fit? You have exactly hit the hammer on the nail. Not what CV do I have. Where do you actually fit in the production line?
You are Brabon Ebono.
A chain.
I have a Mijina Boami.
I don't know if technology will look at it again. The agro scientists will look at it because body in front of a yes, but apart from that, other crops. Look, I was telling somebody maybe 4 or 5 days ago. This is system for buy more. Yes, sir. So let's assume, say, we started farming our March, say or July. It takes between 90 to 100 days to cultivate a planted maize. So what is that?
So you should be deliberate about what you want
to do.
Tune
your mind to the policy. Let your attitude match the policy. You understand me? When you come to the industry, what are the incentives? How would I put it? Africa Secretariat as an industry. Anyhow. Me industry no enkoso yi. You make back a one woman. But when you sit down, 24-hour economy policy number, you share the free member. When you want to share the free member, what the train station now would change, would they buy? Then at the end of the day, you Omar Kasa 24-hour economy. Now,
and see a mobile, see a movie.
The Japan textile industry is there. The Kosovo textile industry is there. The cotton sector of the economy must also create awareness. So who could you cortina? Say better. Company better. There must be this supervision. You will see everybody being busy. About services are major problems they have. Security. So about government, he will be empowered to actually recruit more security personnel. What you say? So I mean, because it is so beautiful, say. You see, me carry those days and me call printing press. I printing ballot papers. I'm matching bed 2 to 4 a.m., 5 a.m. People are coming out of factories and people are going to work at the same time.
And they sir. The revival.
Number one, there is that security assured. Number two, the industries will be given some incentives to revamp such a process. But the basic aspect of all this will be what? Raw materials. And the raw materials are you and I. Obi ono say o mi kuta masters mi nu, me kuta masters and 9, me per officer tina. You went to school to tee your mind to something. Bring it back to productivity. It is a sincere who can cultivate, who put a masters, who put a PhD, who pack or draw. What you learned in our classroom, or sorry, our lecture, bring it to the field. If I could have gone to cultivate that maize,
Cow reap by now.
By this time, I'm reaping. Let me get banshee womb.
2 years now,
Let me go banshee. So within the year, from maize to cassava, what do I say? Of course, I would like to do it on a large scale because people wasting my time and for here 4 acres, 5 acres. No. So therefore, the any person may come Ministry of Agriculture. I call whom Honorable Eric Opoku. Honorable Opoku, me person me cultivate review. Is that not it? I might need a tractor, not even to purchase. More high rental DLB or an acre say the private man is renting at this rate, but government they'll be subsidized into many a boy So instead of cultivating 10 acres, because that tractor renting price have been reduced or have been subsidized, I might end up cultivating 40-50 acres. And it's an year 40-50 acres no one. Now I call a Minister of Education. Me want bro. School feeding I mean, do you see how it works? If we don't tune ourselves to that policy, no,
okay, but that's so 2 things. Tune in and then be part of the chain.
Yeah.
Because to trust no one deliberate about being part of the 24-hour economy. What he has said this morning is that just be part of it, be deliberate about it. It's a huge chain. But
my MPP for you see, again on your show, years back, let me say, planting for food and job. It's just close to this. What did I say? Planting for food and job. It's just close to this. But your attitude, me, party about power, they should not put this. They should welcome it.
Every the economy, 24-hour economy, no, and said ye almost I can't want some opposition. Na Yashe said your bedroom.
In opposition, it was not beautiful because that Budon is the film.
In
Budon is the Budon. But this time it's a document.
Jatana, and also man, team policy, no more say, Jata, I export to her. Follow the nail campaign. Don't mind. Yeshe Omuka and Sendi. Actually, a branty and I could see BB so. no ka ho na omuji boom ekoto abama NDC de di kan ya omu kan ya Tom Rante na sumpa eye formula what eye formula 1 formula day 133 formula 133
adwuma baako anopa awia
adwuma baako nipa miensa shift miensa policy no line baako e kan bibia e ben sa na yehwe se ebeye ho oti dia make na se
yehwe se
e make wo baby platform for bi so say nipa onji 24-hour economy ndi ID kan eni ye ni ankasa ye man Penny John Dramani Mahama onji ni policy ni.
Oh, why do you speak like this?
I am coming to explain. You cannot jump into the middle of the water when you don't know where it's flowing to. The Americans on Jindini say, oh my, say ejuma no, or say ejuma baako nipa miensa, shift miensa. Na ejuma bay na odiama na point isa. Ejuma baako nipa miensa, na shift miensa, po baako be. 24-hour economy no, ankasa no.
Ahabo. Say almost
wa point gapo ahead no.
Can we please
wait.
The joke is too much.
Wait,
it's not a joke.
How can the Gapuachi president be three?
But you told us a Juma Baku. Nipa miensa.
Don't take your time to also explain to us.
Abrantia na okoto abane nimu se. Ye befa nipa miensa. Akoye adwuma baako. Ye ka kire wom se mumpa pa mu yi. Omo se dabi na adwuma na ewo ho no nipa miensa ba be ye. Miankasa on. You say I was acting in the why would you allow me? You are not the host. Don't spoil the show. I like taking it one by one. Oh, I am doing a presentation.
We are running a three shifts.
But the same
is not it.
Oh, question, man, you have a presentation. Not this our question. May you want.
Until we're quite a good opportunity.
You can't say. Uko hospital. Uko hospital. A nurse 4 year miensa 3 shift already. Doctor 4 year miensa 3 shift already. Uko cocoa processing, for example. Rani omu 3 shift already. Ghana police, rani omu 3 shift already. So there are a juma e wo man yi mu a omunda already. Make our platform
when so say police station pay.
Say uko Osu Oxford Street. Uko 2 o'clock now upe wache dia ubenya. There is an around the clock economy running there already.
But they want to improve on that.
Exactly. I don't have a problem. But Omo insisted said the ye kano. Omo minim se wonte say Omo say. And yet the ye kano no Omo babe. Now sa 24-hour economy is going to be different. And now Inter America said nipa onyi nyanka me expect. In fact, me ni Shabima call one show so and I'm just say I was expecting Sanka Ubeba no pano because you and your boss especially said say ejuma baako nipa miensa nipa me person ko di kan yes ade no mami any o man pani na can appoint TV miensa. So what you were saying already exists.
Shamima na we ejuma miensa.
Nanka na January our deputy no conference anopa copim 12 and 2 no be 532 copim.
You see who they
David say oh my
it be improve no.
Enti beg ye be ka ho ti make can try and say who be introduce.
Reading that dream.
But the year can no enya no ana omo ye. Say me say back okay. Or say obey farm. Me I said on the show, if we have the production sector na koso ye manufacturing sector no koso ye agribusiness can have 3 shifts.
Why you ship
me can't tell me say? Why you ship me can't tell me say? Oh, be call for
You don't know them.
Na about 12 me di obi akodo. Na about 2 me di obi akodo. No enye ye. They did agree. But my cause. Niama Emma 24 hour.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Me count it down soon now. But to us so.
All right.
Yeah.
They na ye can say. Hwɛ niama bi wɔ hɔ nom a ɛma economy no run 24 hour without any piano force no. Deɛ di kan. Niam deɛ na ɛma yɛ economy no ɛkɔ n'akyi because we are young no. Not petrol na filling station na 24 hours. Meboa. Not tema companies bebre. Me nyini beto mankwaze no ne niama na they were doing 24 hours. What caused them to go back?
Bambo.
One,
a key.
No, the demand in the economy. Niama na omode ba no bedroom rebi. Na ye de kwa manoni enye ye de koso sa ye de kwa manoni enye ye no. These military rules. Inti abema economy na nkasa ejija. No ye toso mienu.
What was mienu? So hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. That's the winner for today. Sika. Deal 0240 490 star 0240 0240 490 star.
Now so we and I know with my way.
All right.
The second one
133. The second one, besides the economy now is shrinking here because of our own activities. No. The people were having difficulty financing their companies. Sikasem.
It's part of the initiative.
Me raise the normal solutions. Me present.
Who solution?
Check the available markets. Government policy per se, they did kind of. And he said there are companies in Ghana who are doing here say on your NDC company are yengunu. A bad dream. And the American say 133. Exactly.
Anyway, let's go.
So there's a news in Mpensenpensenmu. Just in your reporter and it show really Japekrom the Abase Oko a year dia so the level of galamsey is now out. All the pictures is out now. I just say.
Oh my, then you can now answer me.
Now answer me. This is your power.
Never.
24-hour economy. On the economy was now working.